old Mazdaspeed engine, new fully built Mazdaspeed engine. Oh my god, guys, would you look at that? She looks pretty freaking clean in there, don't you think? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm happy to report that last night my dad was helping me and we finally got my built Mazdaspeed motor back into the car.
What's going on?
Alright guys, the engine is almost in there. It's floating. We're gonna have to put in this engine mount right here and one on the other side, but it's almost in. Okay, go down a little bit. Nice, go down a little bit. Alright guys, as you can see, I still have a lot of things to hook up. I need to hook up my intake manifold. Also, I gotta put my turbo on. Luckily, I did put my oil drain on already, so it should be pretty easy to connect. But last night, we basically connected this motor mount and this motor mount, and then there's one more motor mount in the back, but should be pretty easy. I'm gonna do an in-depth video on my intake manifold install, probably for tomorrow. And then in the next video, I'm gonna show you guys my new turbo, because I actually did end up getting a new turbo, and I'm pretty excited to reveal that to you guys. But man, I am so excited. Look at how this turned out. As you can see, I've got my ABS down there, so that whole spot right there is pretty clean. I still gotta put my belt on here, but I also have my AC delete with my new alternator. So I gotta connect all these wires, but that should be really easy. I mostly just need to tuck my wires and make sure they're in the right location that I would prefer. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video, you guys. I'm gonna show you a few more glamour shots to end out the video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, and I'll catch you in the next video.